So let us solve second problem on Huffman code. So the problem given is design a Huffman code for a source generating four different types of messages with probabilities 0 0.3, 0 0.2, 0 0.4, 0 0.1. Find the coding efficiency. So the first step, as you know, that we have to arrange the probabilities in the descending order. So let us solve this example. So the probabilities given are 0 0.4, 0 0.3, 0 0.2, 0 0.4, 0 0.1. That means 0 0.4 is highest, then 0 0.3, 0 0.2, 0 0.1. So so you have to arrange 0.4 on the top, then take some space, then 0.3, then 0.2, 0.1. So add these two probabilities. Whenever as soon as you add these probabilities, assign 0. You can use different pen also, but in the exam it's not possible. So use only one pen because there is a time limitation. So I have constructed the Huffman tree in such a way that although if you don't use different pens, it will be easier to you for you to trace the path and find the code words. So 0 to 0.2 and 0.1. Now this addition is 0.3. You circle this addition. Okay, so why to circle it? Because this 0.3 and this 0.3 are same, but to understand, this is the probability and this is the addition of 0.2 and 0.1. After that, you take forward this 0.3 here up to this point, for example. Now you observe, now we have already seen in the first problem that this addition you have to take upward from this 0.3. So you take this here and continue this path. So now you have with now you observe this 0.4 is less than this 2.3, so not needed to stretch this 0.4. So now this is the 0.3. Again for upper branch you do 0 and 1. Why I am assigning 0 and 1? Because now I am going to add these two, because I got two lower probability, 0.4 is higher, okay, then 0.3. So after that, now addition is 0.6. Now you have 0.6 and 0.4, only two probabilities, so no need to check for the, what I can say, that no need to check for other probabilities, or no need to have the comparison. We have to do the comparison between 0.4 and 0.6. So 0.6 is higher than 0.4, so higher probability you take upward and lower probability you take downward. Now the addition of 0.4 and 0.6 is 1. So higher is 0 and lower is 1. Addition is what? Addition is 1. Now this one, don't get confused with this one, with these ones, because this is the addition wala 1. Okay, so now let us find the code. For the 0.4, I already told you that we have to go in the right method, or in the books they have told you that you have to go from this side to this side, but it is a complex thing, so I suggest you to go from this to this and reverse the bits. So 0.4, trace this path. 0.4 is 1. You have to come up to here. So 0.1, so write down 1. This is rough, huh? Then 0.3, So point 3 is point 3 path is this one, 1 then 0, x तक आना है आपको. So 1 0, point 2 0 0 0, point 1 1 0 0. Okay, now correct code is 1, then write down 0, after that 1, then he इसमें तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, 0 0, then here, so अभी ये कैसे होगा, 1 0 0. So first you write down 1 here, then 0 0, that means 1 then 0 0, yes, 1 then 0. Okay, so this is the correct code. Correct, this is also correct, but in books they have, because Huffman is not a unique code. So if you are a programmer, you can publish it as your code also, but in Huffman they said that you have to go like this. For example, for point 1, so see how much complex it is. Point 1, so 0, so you have to put 2 points here and there, then only you will come up to 1. So 0 then 0 then 1. If you are able to do that, it will be okay, but for me it is hard to go from this to this side. For me it is easy for to go from this to this side. So 0 0 1, so this is the code. Now same is written here. I will provide the notes of this in the description box. Okay, after that, normal procedure, you have to find H, that is entropy. Entropy formula is 1 by log 2. This is log to the base 10. Probability into log of 1 by 0.4. 1 by probability. So probability is 0.4 log of 1 by 0.4 plus 0.3 log of 1 by 0.3, 0.2 log of 1 by 0.2 plus 0.1 1 by log of 0.1. And this log is log to the base 10 in the calci. We have solved many problems on this. So you know this one, but still I will show you this log operation. Okay, then average code word length L is probability into length. 0.4 is the probability and its length is 1 bit, so length is 1. Its length is 2, its length is 3, its length is 3, because 3 bits. Number of bits is the length. 0.4 into 1, 0.3 into 2, 0.2 into 3 plus 0.1 into 3. So answer is 1.9. So coding efficiency is H by L into 100%. That we are getting 97.18%. So you have designed it very good, that you are getting the coding efficiency greater than 95%. Okay, so this is the second problem on Huffman. First problem we have solved in much detail to understand how to build the tree. Okay, so if you like this video, give a thumbs up to this video. Also do consider subscribing to the channel so that more such topics will be explored on this channel.